It's all over now.
Or is it?
No! No!
You see that? The future chief is a coward! You heard me! Come on, hit me!
Really, you want to?
A new emotion!
Fine! Remember, you wanted this. Yes, I know, I told him. Hang on! Almost there, buddy, almost there.
Cause you can be the beauty and I could be the monster. Yes, I'm that reason to worry.
It wasn't your fault, bud. They made you do it. You'd never hurt him. You'd never hurt me.
How are you doing that?
Please, you are my best friend, bud. My best friend. Attaboy, that's it! I'm here!
Fighting over a dragon? That's your plan?
This is. Save him. Catching up with Bob.
That's your mother?
You want to give this another shot? Toothless, it'll be fine. Ready?
Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life. I would gladly do it twice.
Save him.
Oh, please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart, even though you're trying to hurt me. You keep tearing me apart. Heart to heart and eyes to eyes. Is this taboo?
Heather.
Baby, we built this house on memories. Take my picture now, shake it till you see it.
If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
Hiccup. He's not a problem. Really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Burke, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I alone control the dragons.
Sorry.
Go get him.
Take control of it!
Shut it out, Toothless.
Stop them!